You go to Facebook, hit your fucking his face in Facebook.
No, I'm
You
sorry.
see, you look out there. You're fucking gay. I'm a gay as well.
Excuse me?
I'm talking to him. I'm not talking to you.
You're being
This is very rude.
This is my
Not
friend.
rude.
This is my friend. You're being very rude.
No,
to her,
no,
so
no.
please.
She's not your friend. I'm your friend.
No, you're not.
I want you to
don't-
fuck me tonight.
I don't know who you are, and I'm not interested.
I want you to fuck me tonight.
Sorry, please leave
Don't
us
touch her, okay? I'm going
leave
to
us
slap
alone.
you. I'm going to slap you.
Excuse me, your slurry is on my face, and the nearest hospital is somewhere else.
No,
Can
no,
you
no,
just-
no. He is an LGBT. I'm an LGBT.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're gay.
Please leave
I'm
us
not
alone.
fuck
opposed to
you.
gay, but
Fuck
this
me
is very
tonight. I
rude.
want you to fuck me tonight.
No, please don't touch me again either. Please don't touch me.
Singapore is not like America. We can touch you.
Hey,
Hey.
don't touch
Excuse
me.
me?
Because I'm a
Get
gay.
out of here now.
No, he's a gay. I'm a gay. I want him to fuck me tonight.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
This is sexual
Yeah.
harassment.
No, he's a gay. I'm a gay. No, no. He makes signal to me.
I did
he
not.
makes signal to me. I'm calm. Singapore got no law. Are you from America? Are you from America? Singapore got no law. You can touch me, I can touch you. Singapore got no law. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
You know, this is always when you like
I'm very
something.
touchable.
Yes, but
He's a
some
gay. I know him.
What do you mean by he's a gay? This is
He's
very
a
rude.
gay.
Did you drink?
I'm a
it?
gay.
Did you drink it?
I drank a lot. I drank a lot.
Ah, okay, this is your problem here.
Can I kiss you? I want to kiss you
Are
now.
you
If
mentally
you kiss me, I will
unstable?
punch your fucking face off.
Hey, you see? You look like a what? Huh? Use one more word, I go stab you.
Excuse me?
Huh?
Excuse me?
You say fuck you. You say you fuck
No,
you.
it's enough.
He said fuck me, ma. He said fuck me. Okay, it's okay. He's a gay. I get. He said no to me. I said. Okay, brother. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay.
I don't know what to do. I'm not native.
Like we didn't even look at him at all.
He can send me. It's okay.
Look at him at all.
It smells very,
He signal me. He did signal me. I don't come.
Good thinking, by the
Okay,
way.
inshallah. Okay. He signal me. He did signal me. I don't go. I'm a gay. Okay. I'm a gay. He signal me. I'm jealous. He touch a woman. I'm jealous. Okay. He signal me. You're not a gay. I'm a gay. You signal me lah. You don't signal me. I don't come lah. You give a girl. You signal me like that. Okay. He doesn't want to do it. Okay, you want to impress, it's okay. You don't want to impress, it's okay. Brother, thank you. No nonsense. Don't use the word nonsense.
Please mind the gap.
Don't use the wrong word, okay? My friend.
Berhati-hati di ruang platform.
He signal me. He don't signal me. I don't go. The fucking gay. He signal me. He sit on the joint. He signal me like that. Okay? You want to be... Okay. You don't signal me. I don't go. You need a fuck. I also need a fuck tonight. He signal me. You don't signal me. I don't go. You go and see the pink one. I'm hero there, I'm champion. Okay? I'm champion, I'm pink there. You don't signal me, I don't come. Then you signal me, you want to tell the thing? Were you okay?
Yeah.
You okay? You're a fucking gay. You signal me, I go. You don't signal me, I don't come.
Yes, I have encountered
What the pink society, I'm a big time gay, okay?
Next
I
station.
also pay them a lot of money one, top 3 one. You signal me and then you come and talk nonsense.